Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to solve when a plus 1 by b is equals to 1 and b plus 1 by c is equals to 1 and we have to find the value of c plus 1 by a. So let's start with the today's video. So first I'll take this equation number 1 and write it down again. A plus 1 over b equal 1. So with the help of first equation, I can find the value of a and then put it in our, we have to find the value of c plus 1 over a here. So the value of a is equals to 1 minus 1 over b. So a is equals to b minus 1. But I need the value of 1 over a. So 1 over a is equals to the reciprocal of this again, b minus b over b minus 1. So the value of 1 over a is b over b minus 1. Similarly, from the equation number 2, I'll find the value of c. So b plus 1 over c is equals to 1. So 1 over c is equals to 1 minus b. Value of c is 1 over 1 minus b. Now the value of 1 over a and c I'll put here. So in place of c, I can write 1 over 1 minus b plus, and in place of 1 over a, I can write b over b minus 1. Now to make the denominator same, I'll take the negative sign common. So here I'll put negative. So b minus 1 minus b. So the LCM is denominator is 1 minus b and the numerator is also 1 minus b. So we'll eliminate it and we get 1. So the value of c plus 1 over a is 1. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much. And if you find it useful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.